You won't believe what Porsche just dropped for 2026. The new 900 Rocket R isn't just another luxury car, it's a statement. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this car could completely change how you think about driving in the city, on the highway, and even owning a luxury car in the US and Asia. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is worth your hard-earned money. Starting with the price, in the US, the 2026 Porsche 900 Rocket R is coming in at around $145,000. Over in Japan, it's priced at about 22 million yen, and in ASEAN countries like Thailand and Malaysia, you're looking at roughly $160,000 after taxes and import fees. Yes, it's not cheap, but for what you get, every dollar is carefully spent. Let's talk fuel economy because that's something everyone watches closely these days. Porsche has kept things surprisingly efficient for a car with this kind of power. You're looking at an estimated 24 miles per gallon combined. For city driving, it's closer to 21, but on the highway, it can comfortably hit 28. And here's the kicker. It comes with hybrid-assisted technology that reduces fuel burn during stop-and-go traffic, which makes it smart for US city roads and traffic jams. If you're switching from a traditional luxury sports car, this could save you hundreds, maybe even over $1,000 a year in fuel alone. Maintenance is another big question. Porsche has always been known for precision engineering, and while it's more expensive than your average Toyota or Honda, the 900 Rocket R is designed with parts longevity in mind. Expect annual maintenance to be around $1,500 to $2,000, which is actually quite competitive for a high-performance luxury car. Parts availability is solid, especially in the US, and Porsche dealerships across major cities stock most high-demand components, which means no long waits if something needs replacement. Insurance is something you'll want to budget carefully. For an average driver, you're looking at about $3,500 a year in the US, but that number drops if you have a clean driving record and opt for bundled coverage. Now let's get into performance, because this is where the 900 Rocket R really shines. Under the hood, we're talking a turbocharged flat-six engine producing 620 horsepower. Translated into simple terms, that means the car feels fast, smooth, and surprisingly controllable whether you're weaving through city streets or cruising on the highway. In stop-and-go traffic, the hybrid assistance kicks in, keeping acceleration smooth without guzzling fuel. On the highway, you can hit triple-digit speeds with ease, and the ride remains stable and comfortable, not twitchy like some high-performance cars. For daily driving in the US, this car feels more like a luxury sports car you can actually live with rather than a weekend toy. Ownership costs are something you don't want to ignore. Depreciation for Porsches tends to be better than many luxury brands, and the 900 Rocket R is expected to hold its value well, especially in markets like the US and Japan. That means if you decide to sell after 3 to 5 years, you'll likely recover a significant portion of your initial investment. Add in the fuel savings and reasonable maintenance, and you have a package that's not just fun, but financially smarter than you'd expect for a car in this category. Comparing it to competitors, let's take the Toyota Supra or the Honda NSX. Both are fun, reliable cars, but they don't match the Porsche in overall refinement, ride comfort, and resale value. The Supra is lighter and nimble, but it doesn't offer the same fuel efficiency for daily driving. The NSX has a hybrid system, but it's more expensive to maintain and doesn't have the same broad dealer support you get with Porsche. For someone looking for a car that balances daily usability with high-performance thrills, the 900 Rocket R is the smarter choice. Another key point is how smart this car is for US roads and traffic. Think about it: city streets, frequent stops, highway merging, long commutes. The hybrid assistance makes the car more forgiving in stop-and-go traffic. The adaptive suspension smooths out potholes, and the steering feels precise without being overly stiff. It's exactly the kind of car that makes sense for both congested city centers and open freeways. Plus, the technology inside, from adaptive cruise control to real-time traffic monitoring, adds an extra layer of convenience that makes your daily drive less stressful. Let's talk style briefly because we know that matters too. The The 900 Rocket R has that signature Porsche sleek look, but with more aggressive lines and a lower, wider stance that screams performance without being over the top. Inside, it's a perfect blend of luxury and tech. You get digital displays that are intuitive, quality materials that feel solid, and enough space for passengers to be comfortable without compromising the sporty feel. For anyone worried about everyday usability, this car surprises you. Trunk space is reasonable, rear seats are usable for short trips, and visibility isn't compromised despite the sporty design. It's essentially a luxury sports car that doesn't punish you for using it like a normal car. Combine that with excellent resale value, strong dealer support, and solid insurance rates, and the 900 Rocket R is not just a dream car, it's a practical one for the real world. So, if you're in the US, Japan, or ASEAN, looking for a car that's fast, fuel-efficient, smart in traffic, low maintenance for its class, and likely to hold value, the 2026 Porsche 900 Rocket R deserves your serious attention. It's not just about speed or prestige, it's about combining high performance with sensible ownership, which is exactly what modern luxury buyers want. If you enjoyed this review, found it helpful, or just love cars like this, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next high RPM car review. Trust me, the 900 Rocket R is only the beginning of what Porsche has in store for 2026, and you'll want to see what comes next.